Yep.
What is up, guys? So it's the 26th, the day after Christmas, and Santa Claus decided to drop off something for the car. So here's the box. Very fragile, of course. Open it up here. And what do we have? So we got some black front kidney grills for the F30. Yeah, so got some black kidney grills. So the first step was peeling off this rubber weathering weather strip right here, so it goes all the way across. And then you're gonna have eight torque screws here. So you got two different kinds. I believe these are the T20 ones, and these are the T30 ones. So you got 6 T30s on the inside, and the 2 outside ones are the T20s. So you need 2 different kinds. So I'm gonna get started on that. Alright guys, so I got all the screws out here, all the torque screws. So what's supposed to happen now is you're supposed to be able to just pull the bumper. You don't want to pull it up, you want to pull it out. See these like clips right here? There's 1, and then there's 2. Actually there's 4, I'm sorry. So there's 2 here and 2 over here. And what should happen, you should be able to easily just kind of pull this. There we go. Kind of pull it loose off of those clips. See that? And now, apparently we should supposedly have fantastic access to this, which honestly doesn't really seem like I do. So I got the first kidney grill off. This took forever. What happened, we got the first 3 clips off. So I was able to detach these first 3, 1, 2, 3. And I think the mistake I was making is I was trying to get these bottom ones unclipped next. I got this side one right here. I unclipped this side one, but I didn't realize there was this as well. But that was towards the end. So what you want to do, you want to unclip these top ones and then go for this side one right here, and that's just going to make your life a lot easier. So basically you just put your finger in and, you know, pop it out, and then you start going at the bottom. So you unclip this one, you unclip this one, then this one, and then at the very end, this is the last one holding it in, and you'll finally get that grill off. I mean, I didn't see that part in any write-ups, to be honest with you. All it said was unclip the clips and stuff, but I think that's a pretty good piece of information for anyone that wants to do this kidney grill swap out. So, and now we got easy access to the second one, so that should go smoothly. And we've been putting our me and my dad have been putting our hands in through here trying to get our fingers underneath and unclip the clips, and it was a nightmare. And then I was like, you know what, let's get this side clip here, and boom, we got it. So you can probably see right here, there's also a side clip right there. So I'm going to go from the top again, unclip this side, and then go towards the bottom. So alright guys, so we got both grills off. I will say, I don't know if I'm just stupid, but that was a bit of a pain in the ass. Just a bit. So I'm going to clean up all this crap here while I have them off. Here's the black grills. So